Right over here where Colin is the perfect spot to be. Oh, yeah.
Ready for this, Josh?
No. Oh, God.
Perfect.
Oh, God.
We're good. We're good.
Oh, God. No.
Here we go. Feet up.
I'm turning! Go, Courtney, go! Hi, baby. Oh, it's fun. Oh, it's fun. You gotta get up?
That's pretty cool, huh?
Can we get on?
Here, get with see your camera there. I'll get your picture.
You look. Just don't get it wet. No, I'm just kidding.
What? What are you talking about?
It actually shoots underwater too. Here, boys. It's on right now. Just recording.
Oh, it's recording?
Yeah, it's just a.
Perfect.
Does it say recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How's the water feel, man?
Thanks.
Really good.
Oh, your daughter's in too.
Oh, is she in here?
Yep.
She is.
Hey, there ain't no free ride here. Don't be holding on.
Naomi, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
You should have went down the rapids. That was awesome. It was really cool. No, don't hang on to me.
That's like Chris is the one that's going to fall out today.
Yeah.
1 in 10.
I hope so. You know, the coolest part about that camera is like $50 at Walmart.
Really?
And it has the clearest underwater pictures ever.
Great.
When you said it's nice, just keep it dry.